Whether you're a beginner or a pro at pressure canning, chicken is one of the easiest ones to do, and it tastes good, which is a bonus. Stick around, I'll show you how I did this. I'm cutting this up because I'm going to can this chicken. I got my homemade chicken broth here. Whatever. Trying to do this without getting in the way of the camera. Okay, nice deal. Smells perfect. Into here, into the pot I go, and I'll get it heated up. And also my jars are in hot water right now. Great. My hot broth, I got my hot jars. Let's get these things filled up. One book says generous 1 inch of headspace, and the other one says 1 1/4. Both the same idea, I guess. But that's with the meat. And with the broth, I bring it up to a full 1 inch. Now I know this is good because I made it before. Looks like more than half of the board in the inside space, but I guess that's what we got. Now what I have to do, dampen a paper towel and some vinegar, wipe the rims off, put a new lid on, do a band down finger tight, like that, and into the can. In the description, there's a link to the recipe that you can print. You need to follow instructions for your can. Mine says add 8 cups of hot water per pressure can. I always add some vinegar too. It keeps the jars from getting cloudy. Make sure this is on vent. Now, for let's just stop this for now. This is boneless, and they're half pints, but I gotta use a pint timing. So I need pressure can it for 75 minutes. If it were quart jars, it'd have been 90 minutes. If you had bone in, you're gonna be pints would be 65 minutes, and quarts would be 90. Wait a minute. No, it's 75 minutes. So I'll get this set up. Make sure my vent is open. And put one of my canning time. And press start. Alright, started at 10 minutes of exhaust. It'll beep at me when it's done, and I can close the vent. Okay, it's done exhausting, so now I'm going to close the vent. It'll get pressured up, and then it'll run at 75 minutes. I got it set for, and turn itself off. Right here, turn itself off, and it's depressurized now, so I can open up the lid, and then I'll let it sit for 10 minutes before I pull the jars out. It's been for 10 minutes since I opened the lid, so I can pull these out. Well, as you've seen, canning chicken is a pretty straightforward and easy process. I made some sandwiches out of the one can, and trust me, it tastes good, which I knew it would because I made it before. But anyway, I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Till next time, goodbye.